Hello and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release a new video 3 times a week. Today you can see me in the finished jacket. We had 3 lessons dedicated to it. The first was designing the sleeve, this magnificent sleeve with a cut and a dart. The next one was designing this incredible asymmetrical collar. In the third lesson we basted and tried it on. And today we can finally see me in the finished jacket. Those who bought the course Drafting and Sewing Women's Jackets, as well as all those who know how to make a jacket, can very well make it for themselves. And it's actually not that hard to design an asymmetrical collar like this one. Well, I want to tell you why I decided to make such a collar and such a sleeve. That's because I was bored by everything. I don't want to see simple clothes anymore. You've heard me talking about it many times already. That's why this year I started to renew my wardrobe and make more interesting clothes. The sleeve is 3/4 because I rarely wear long sleeves. It has to be below 40 degrees Celsius outside for me to wear long sleeve clothes, because I barely can stand long sleeves. The only exclusion for the last season that I made for myself is a black warm dress with a unique design. It's very warm and has long sleeves, but for jackets it's of course 3/4. Look at how the sleeves look. That's our jacket. There's a gadget for recording, of course. We picked these buttons, but we'll probably change them soon to be more fitting and round buttons. For now, it's these buttons. I'm glad that the girls have finished the jacket so swiftly. That's my twin set skirt. Do you notice how it's twinkling underneath? And here's a pleated net. With the way it twinkles, it matches the jacket very well. Of course, my golden boots look very good with this outfit. I could imagine myself in this outfit wearing earrings and a ring with olivine. Olivine is a beautiful green mineral. Many of you may remember that I have them, but I simply forgot to wear them today. But I hope that the next time I'll have them on. I think that as soon as tomorrow I'll go to a restaurant wearing this. Now I'll take off my jacket and we'll look at the way it's done on the table. I took off the jacket and it's on the table now. I want to show it to you. I want to show you how the sleeve is made. The seam here is pressed to the side of the bigger part of the sleeve. That makes it look good. Here, where there's a hem, there's a seam inside. Its allowances were cut, and it's partially pressed to one side and partially to the other. Here it leans to the bigger part of the sleeve, and here, where the hem is, it's cut to lean to the other side. So there's no thickness here. All the seams are done very well. They're flawless. The point of the dart here is done very thin. What else do I want to say? I want to say a few words about the collar. Well and how precisely it's done. And here as well, when you feel it with your fingers, it's all thin, all even if there are multiple layers of fabric. Sometimes you can feel rough, thick places on garments. Nothing like this is here. The girls can be proud of their work. It's a good dense lining, and the fabric is golden. Well, there's nothing more to show. That's the lining. I want to note that the lining matches the garment perfectly. The buttons here are the ones the girls found when making this. I don't like them, so I'll change them. But it doesn't affect my thoughts on this jacket. I haven't been anywhere in it yet. I only showed it to you, but I'm already in love with it. I think our lessons will help you to make such interesting and complex clothes too. By the way, the fabric is cotton. It slightly resembles denim. With its diagonal ridges, as you can see, it had the color of a greenish gold, a very beautiful color, a magnificent one. You see how this side is? And thanks to the interlining, it's not as stretchable as it was. This fabric can be used to make something for younger people. Tight skirts, short dresses for those who love it. but those who prefer loose skirts can use it too. It's a great fabric. It's not heavy and it's golden. But what was the most important for me is that it matches this twin set skirt that I bought. I don't have that many non-self-made clothes, so sometimes I let myself do that. Sometimes it happens that I buy something and then don't wear it because it wasn't me who made it. My heart doesn't like it, but I love this skirt. We'll do everything we can to help you be different and interesting every day. I want women to be able to create a mood for themselves, not only by making clothes, but by also wearing them. When we go out in our self-made clothes, we already feel like queens. So I wish you good luck. Click the like button and share our videos on social media and subscribe to our channel. Write comments, buy our courses, and be your own kind of beautiful. Thank you for watching. All the best from Irina Paukshte and the rest of our team.